Is it time to buy or sell the trade desk stock? In this video, we are diving deep into the trade desk. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has identified the trade desk as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.46. Now let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 12.07% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 12.07% to 35.2%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 52.91% over the next year, with a potential return between 52.91% and 178.54%. This translates to a price range of $125.26 to $228.17 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the trade desk includes the headline. The trade desk stock price took a fall of 32.98% on Thursday. The trade desk stock price fell by 32.98% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, dropping from $122.23 to $81.92. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 5.61%, reaching a low of $80.66 and a high of $85.18. The price has been quite volatile during this period, and there has been a 31.13% decline over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 50 million shares, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 56 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $141.53, while the lowest was $73.68. Currently, the price stands at 42.12%, or $59.62, below the 52-week high, and 91.58%, or $890.89, below the all-time high recorded on December 22, 2020, when the price peaked at $972.80. The Trade Desk, Incorporated, has encountered a notable setback, with its stock decreasing by more than 30% following its fourth quarter earnings report. The company reported revenue of $741 million, falling short of expectations of $759 million, marking its first revenue miss in 33 quarters. While its earnings per share exceeded expectations slightly, the disappointing revenue figures have raised significant concerns regarding the company's performance and future outlook. The anticipated rollout of their Kokai platform, which was previously celebrated for its substantial potential benefits, is now facing scrutiny. The gap between earlier optimistic projections and the recent earnings results has led to doubts about the accuracy of the information provided to investors. Such a steep decline in stock price often provokes investor reactions, including investigations into possible securities fraud, with law firms currently examining these issues on behalf of affected shareholders. In the short term, this earnings miss and the ensuing investigations could result in increased volatility for the trade desk stock, as investors reevaluate the company's credibility and future growth prospects. Long-term consequences could be more serious if investor confidence continues to diminish, potentially impacting the company's ability to attract new business and disrupting its market position in the competitive digital advertising sector. As analysts assess these developments, the scrutiny surrounding the trade desk intensifies, leaving many to contemplate the company's path ahead. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned TTD an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated TTD as neutral with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital gave TTD an outperform rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research also rated TTD as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, Jefferies reported a buy rating for TTD, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned the trade desk stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for the trade desk. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The trade desk stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at $113.31 and $118.98. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 4th, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 41.28%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock warrants closer monitoring. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal occurred 48 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average registered a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 36 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for the trade desk. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. Typically, this stock is traded with substantial volume and exhibits only minor daily fluctuations, which suggests a low-risk profile. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.53, representing a 5.61% change between its highest and lowest points. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 3.86%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for the trade desk, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the trade desk. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly if the conditions are favorable. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there is also no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Therefore, it is advisable to proceed with caution and only consider making trades if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for the trade desk from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Green Jeffrey Terry, who bought and sold 760,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 27.558. Overall, insiders purchased 2,059,789 shares and sold 3,580,998 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is the trade desk stock a good buy? The trade desk exhibits several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to certain minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, February 14th, we expect the trade desk to open at approximately 668 cents and begin trading at $82.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.